Hello viewers, welcome to my channel The Mobotech World. In this channel, you will get all tech related information and some interesting tricks on mobile. So please watch my videos, and if you really like those videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all notification. Thank you. A fabulous news has come in the market that Xiaomi is going to launch the Redmi 6 Pro, Redmi 6 and Redmi 6A phones in India. All the phones have the different specification according to the price point. The most premium phone in this series is the Redmi 6 Pro, having the dual camera setup with 12 megapixel shooter with a 5 megapixel additional shooter. The most interesting part of this phone that is it supports AI dual camera. With the help of the AI dual camera, you can get a very good micro shot as well as you will get a very good bokeh effect through the dual camera. Apart from that, the phone comes with the 5.84-inch display size having the aspect ratio 19:9. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 series processor. This processor is very powerful, and this processor having the technology with 14 nanometer. The 14 nanometer means a very small space and it is very power efficient. The phone comes with the 4000 mAh battery. Though the Snapdragon 625 is a very power efficient processor, so you will get a very good power backup with this phone. The next phone in this series is Redmi 6. The phone having the different processor that comes with the MediaTek. The name of the processor is Helio P22. The technology of this processor with the 14 nanometer, the phone having the octa-core CPU. 22 nanometer means it consumes less power than the Snapdragon 625 processor that is used in the Redmi 6 Pro. The most interesting features of this Helio P22 series processor that is the processor supports the artificial intelligence. So with this processor, the processing power is very good as well as you will get a very good camera effect through the camera app. Apart from that, the phone having the 5.45-inch display size having the aspect ratio 18:9. The phone supports 3000 mAh battery, and this is the main drawback of this phone according to my opinion. Because Helio P22 series processor is very powerful, so it takes slightly more power than the Snapdragon 625 that is used by the Redmi 6 Pro. And lastly, the most affordable phone in this segment that is Redmi 6A. The phone does not have some interesting features rather than the AI face unlock. The phone does not support the fingerprint unlock, so you can get a face unlock features with this phone. The phone having the 5.45-inch display size and having the 3000 mAh of battery. The phone comes with the affordable series processor from the MediaTek. The name of the processor is Helio A22. The processor having the quad-core technology. Now coming to the most important part of this video, that is the price point of this phone. The Redmi 6A starting from the 6000. With this 6000 variant you will get 2 gigs of memory and 16 gigs of internal storage, and there will be a slightly higher version of this phone having the 2 gigs of memory and 32 gigs of memory. This phone having the price of 7000. The Redmi 6 starting price is 8000. With this 8000 you will get 3 gigs of internal storage, 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. And if you want to give a extra price, you will get a slightly higher version of this phone, that is 3 gigs of memory and 64 gigs of internal storage. The price of the phone will be 9500. Now talking of the most premium phone with this series, that is Redmi 6 Pro. The phone starting with the 11,000 rupees. With the 11,000 rupees you will get the variant of 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage, and the higher version of this phone, that is 4 gigs of RAM and the 64 gigs of memory, having the price of 13,000. According to my opinion, this phone comes with a different features of this series, and if we are comparing with the previous series of this phone, that is the Redmi 5 series, and these phones are a very good upgradation through the predecessor, and the phone will coming in the market in India in the different days. The most premium phone, that is the Redmi 6 Pro, will be launched in India through the flash sale through the mi.com and the Amazon on 11th of September from 12 pm. The next phone is the Redmi 6, will be available on 10th of September from 12 pm. And the most affordable phone, that is the Redmi 6A, it will be available from the 19th of September from 12 pm. Now ending with my prediction, that is the phone comes with a very handy features, and whenever the Xiaomi has released the new phones, there will be a definitely biggest craze in the market, so it is very difficult to get this phone in the first 2 or 3 flash sale, and if you really looking for this phone, you should be very concentrated on those days having those flash sales to get the phone. This is my channel, the Mobotech World. If you really like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for all notification. If you want to see more tech related videos, then please go through my channel. The link of those videos are given in the description box. And now I am signing off from my channel, the Mobotech World. Have a nice day and thank you.